Gold against US dollar this week has started with a strong bearish candle. We can see the price has gone all the way to the first area of supply zone, first support level, and then from bouncing from here. We can see on the daily time frame the price has formed a bullish candle, then forming a bullish breakout above that, going above also above this resistance, indicating further rise in value. So this was also reaching 20.47 resistance level, and on the Friday bouncing back down, which is usually normal on a Friday, and especially when the price reaches a special daily resistance or support level that the price will retrace slightly. The weekly time frame currently shows me we are in the bullish mode, and it is a bullish candle formed on the weekly time frame, with a wick on the upper side and a wick on the lower side. The monthly time frame currently shows me it is a bullish candle, but the month has 2 more weeks until it closes, so everything's still up, but we can see a very important resistance level will be 2745 in order to continue to rise in value, and below that it will be this one here, 2623, where the price could not make a breakout lower. Let's go to the daily. It shows much more clear information. So first of all, I'm waiting on a Monday to see how the price will behave around a 4-hour time frame, because we have a bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame indicating further decline in value. 1-hour time frame shows me that we need a bearish breakout below this one or bullish breakout above this one in order to follow any of the directions. Where the price will go, we'll see on a Monday, but I'm more inclined, because of this on the daily time frame, there is still open space for the price to go to the first support level, which will be around 2696. 2696, it is much better clear information, it is 2690, and especially this one here, we can see that 2693.67. So this is the target I am expecting after the price formed this bearish breakout. This bearish breakout needs to be confirmed on the Monday, on the first 4 hour, in where the price should not go above this area of resistance. If it closes below, this will indicate further decline in value, where 2697.36 is the next support level, where I'm expecting that the price will reach. So let's see for the Monday, but I am more inclined to see gold going further down slightly before any decisions. Will it go further down or it will return back up? So for now, on the daily time frame, I'm more inclined to see a bearish moment to see how the price will behave, but we can see the weekly shows me a bullish breakout outside of this triangle, which is indicating further rise in value, where the next target will be 2787.96, which is all-time high price level. So will the price manage to make a bullish or bearish breakout above this area of resistance, this support level, and this will be shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, where they'll be notified when the bearish or bullish breakout happens with a potential target. So for example, this week I also have shared with them when there is a bearish breakout here, indicating the target here. This was shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, so they could also trade and also get out from the trades from here. So feel free to check the premium analysis, the link will be below. You have also free trials, so see you inside. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.